and welcome to Defense Shows. I am Kiran, dealing with vocabulary portion which is applicable for all competitive examination. Here we will learn word, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, a sentence, and after it a quiz. So here we go. These all are the word which I asked you yesterday. You had to find these opposite meaning of that word. Now let's solve them. The first one is detain. See friend, detain means keep someone in an official custody, right? Keeping someone in an official custody typically for questioning, right? So what would be the opposite? It would be the release. Okay, other options are silence, forget, and prosper. I think we all know silence and forget, but what does prosper means? It means to develop a successful way, right? To develop a successful way. Now moving toward the next word, it is famous. See friend, you have to find the opposite meaning. So famous opposite would be infamous. Now see the options: boring, poor, obscure, and untalented. We don't have the option like infamous. So we will go for the obscure, because obscure means not well known, right? Not well known is known as obscure, right? So what is the next word? It is colossal. You might have heard the colossal body means extremely large. Okay, extremely large. So what would be the opposite? Tiny, because all other are easy, graceful, and full. So correct answer would be tiny. Next word is fluid. Options are solid, liquid, effort, and decent. See friend, opposite would be solid, a simple one. And fourth one and last one is continue. Options are curve, argue, carry, and pause. See friend, continue means the work is in continue manner. But if you will stop it, means you will pause it work, right? So opposite would be pause. So these all are the question which I asked you yesterday. So now let's see what all are the new words for you. It is supervene, draconian, dwaddle, pillis, noxious, perspicacious, fervent, fitful, flaunt, feasible. These all are the word which we will learn, okay, today. So first is supervene. It is in verb. See friend, what does supervene means? It is coming or occurring as something, right? Now making it more simple means pursue. You might have heard it, pursue this career, pursue this path. What does pursue means? Continue, to follow, right? To follow, right? Supersede. These all have the same meaning, to continue, to follow. Okay, so what would be the opposite of supervene? It would be retreat. See friend, retreat, I told you in my previous classes also, of root word, right? If you are not continue something, if you are just stop that activity, you will use the word retreat. Okay, so other is precede. See, what does precede means? Precede means to happen, and to just stop that activity is known as precede. Okay, so what would be the example? Team members supervene their leader. See, team member always follow their leader, right? It is an example of supervene. I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is draconian, is an adjective which means severely harsh, right? Which means severely harsh. So similar meaning will be harsh, and synonyms would be cruel and oppressive. See friend, what does oppressive signifies here? Signifies oppressive means allowing no freedom, right? Allowing no freedom, you will say oppressive. Okay, so what would be the opposite? Easy and gentle. Easygoing would be the opposite of draconian. I think it's clear. Now see what is the example. Your master is a draconian man. You can say that the Hitler was a draconian man, and the master is a draconian means he is a harsh and severely harsh. He is not easy. He is not gentle. He is cruel and oppressive. Means you don't have a freedom if that master will come. Okay, draconian master. So next is dwaddle. Dwaddle is in verb which means waste time, right? Whenever you are going to use the word waste time, so please from the next time use dwaddle word, right? So synonyms would be loiter and procrastinate. See friend, what does loiter here means? Loiter means to stand or walk, okay, to stand or walk around somewhere for no obvious reason. You don't have an obvious reason to stand there or walk around, and simply and directly or indirectly you are wasting your time, right? So you will use the word dwaddle there. And loiter, so procrastinate means postponing, you might know that word, frequently used word by everyone. And antonym is hasten and hurry, right? Hasten and hurry, simple one. So no, form an example. The teacher warned the student that he will be punished if he dwelled again, means the teacher will punish the student if he will waste his time again, means if he will dwaddle his time again. I think it's pretty clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is pillage. Pillage is a verb, right? Pillage is a verb which means plunder and destroy. So what does pillage actually means? Pillage means to steal something from a place or a people by using a force and violence, especially friends during the war, right? Pillage is a verb which means stealing something from a place or a people, right? By using what? By using force and violence, especially during war. So what does plunder? Same meaning, okay? The action of stealing from people or places, and destroy does mean same. So what would be the synonyms? It is ravage and ransack. See friend, ravage and ransack although are same but a slight difference. See, ravage means to damage something very badly. Very badly. If you are damaging something, it is known as ravage, okay? But if you are making the place firstly untidy, okay, and then you are causing damage, it is known as ransack. Although synonyms would be the ransack and ravage would be the synonyms of pillage, plunder, destroy. So what would be the opposite? It would be protect, construct, build up, okay? So now let's form an example. The terrorist pillaged the city, means the terrorist plundered the city, the terrorist ravaged the city, the terrorist ransacked the city. Okay, I think it's pretty clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is noxious. See friend, this word is used frequently by us. What does it mean? It means harmful, okay? It means harmful. Noxious gases, noxious substances, you might have heard noxious chemicals in a chemistry lab. Noxious means harmful or poisonous, and injurious and harmful, okay? So deadly, injurious. Then what would be the synonyms? Destructive, which will destruct our body functioning, is known as the noxious. Then harmful, what would be the antonym? Helpful and kind, simple one. Now let's form an example. This is a noxious chemical. HCl is a noxious chemical if we will use beyond its limit. Okay, just an example. Now next is perspicacious. It's an adjective. See friend, perspicacious means that you're having a deep insight within you, that you understand the thing better, you understand the people, okay? Then what does perceptive means? Perceptive means a quick to notice. You are quick to notice or understand things, you will use perceptive. You might say that my friend is a perceptive person, okay? He is a perceptive nature, okay? Then synonyms would be alert and aware. What would be the antonym? Ignorant and unobservant. So let's form an example. The CBI officers are always perspicacious with their case because they know what might have happened before it and what would happen after it. They have a good knowledge regarding their cases. That's why we use the word perspicacious, okay? I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is fervent. See friend, fervent word I dealt in my previous classes too, which basically derive from the word zeal, which means utsaha in Hindi. So it means enthusiastic. Synonyms is zealous and ardent. See friend, what does ardent means? It means that showing strong feeling, okay? Showing strong feeling, especially a strong liking for somebody and something, we use the word ardent. Okay, so antonym would be apathic, dull, not interested. You are not inclined toward that work. You will use the word apathic and dull. Now let's form an example. He is a fervent child. What does fervent child means? He is the child is very in a zeal manner. He enjoy every activities, is known as a fervent child. Now let's form just see the next word. It is fitful. See friend, what does fitful? It's an adjective which means spasmodic. See what does spasmodic signifies here? See, happening suddenly for brief period. Okay, something happening for a brief period of time but not regular or continuous is known as fervent and spasmodic. Fitful, not fervent. Okay, synonyms would be intermittent and fluctuating. Intermittent and fluctuating. So what would be the antonym? Continuous, in a regular period of time. And what is perpetual? See friend, perpetual means continuing for a long period of time with not stoppage. Without stopping it, you are doing that work. Like if somebody will just study for 10 hours, you will say that he is perpetual in his studying method. Okay, I think it's clear. Now let's form an example. As long as his breathing is fitful means as long as his breathing is spasmodic or fluctuating or intermittent, okay, he will continue to need an oxygen machine. A simple example but a good example. Now next one is flaunt, which is in a verb which means show off or okay, and defy and disregard. So what would be the option? You will respect the person, you will give honor to that person, you will praise that person would be the antonyms. Now let's form an example. One should not flaunt the traffic rules. One should not flaunt the traffic rule. I think it's clear. Now moving to other next word, it is feasible. See friend, you might have heard that feasible reaction means possible reaction, feasible question. Okay, see friend, what does feasible means? It means that that thing is doable. What is doable? Which is within one's power, right? Which is in one's power is known as doable. So what would be the similar meaning? Possible, doable, practicable, okay, pragmatic. It known as feasible. Now see what would be the opposite? Impossible, implausible. See what does implausible means? It means that not easy to believe. If it is not easy to believe, I think it's also not easy to do, right? Now let's form an example. This seems to be feasible solution. Okay, this seems to be the possible solution or a feasible solution, practical one. So this is all for today. We learned this 10 new words. You must revise them in a regular period of time to know, to have better understanding of this word. Okay, and it's a quiz time. Just analyze your word power and you have to find the antonyms, means opposite meaning. So first is supervene. See friend, what I told about supervene, it says coming or occurring, means to pursue, to follow. So what would be the opposite? Retreat. Next is draconian. Draconian means severely harsh, so correct meaning would be gentle. Next is dawdle. So what does dawdle means? Dawdle you use for to go somewhere very slowly, use the word dawdle. So what would be the opposite? Hurry. Next is pillage. Options are ransack, construct, contact, continue. So correct answer will be construct, because pillage is a word which you use to steal something from a place or a people by using force or a violence. Okay, you use the word pillage, but what would be the correct meaning? You have to find the opposite. It would be construct. So next is noxious, which means harmful. So what would be the opposite? Helpful, right? Don't confuse in antonyms. Okay, and perspicacious means you have a good insight, means opposite would be unobservant. And next one is fervent, which means zeal. So what would be the opposite? Dull. All other are the similar meaning. Okay, so next is fitful. Options are dismiss, perpetual, intermittent and fluctuating. So correct answer will be perpetual, because fitful means you are not continuing that activity at regular period of time. Okay, so it is for a brief period of time and which is not regular, and intermittent and fluctuating are same, but perpetual means you are doing that activity for a long period of time without stopping. Now next one is flaunt. Options, correct answer will be praise, right, honor, and all these are the similar meaning to the flaunt. Now see, the next one is feasible. Options are possible, portable, impossible, doable. So see friends, doable, portable, sorry, doable, possible are the similar meaning, but impossible is the different one, which is opposite to the feasible. So we had done our quiz. Okay, these are the word. You have to find the opposite meaning. If you know the answer, don't forget to write in the comment box. Okay, and we will discuss this tomorrow. Jai Hind, thank you. Keep learning. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you don't know that we have live classes too of maths at 6 p.m. and SSB at 8 p.m. Do visit them. Thank you. Be safe.